I start with the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and respected parents. Here is Ma'am Shazia Kausar from Kingway Group of Schools. Hopefully you are fine. Dear students, before start to lesson, firstly we know about today. So let's we know about today. Today is Saturday and date is 9th January 2021. Dear students, today we learn from math subject page number 71 to 73 about primary colors and its assessment. Dear students, kindly open your book of math. This is your math book and see the page number 71. Page number 71, which is the topic is primary colors. Dear students, primary colors are basic colors which make all the other colors. Red, yellow, blue are the primary colors. Now students, we know about the colors which are primary. Primary colors. These are primary colors which are three: red, yellow and blue. And secondary colors which are not a primary. Red, yellow, blue is a primary colors. Now students, you can see on screen this is red color and Y is yellow color. Y is yellow color. B is blue color. B is blue color and R is red color. These are primary colors which is 3. Red is 1, yellow is 2 and blue is 3. Orange, green and violet is not a primary colors. These are secondary colors. Now students, we see a wheel of colors and find the primary colors. This is the color wheel. Now you can find the primary colors. Yes, this is primary color which is red, and this is primary color which is yellow, and this is primary color which is blue. Now students, you can see from book primary colors. Apple is in red, melon is in yellow and blueberries in blue color. Now students, you can easily solve the assessment from book. Kindly fill the pictures in red, yellow and blue. Respected parents, अपने बच्चों को इसी तरीके से प्राइमरी कलर्स के बारे में गाइड करें. ये इन कलर्स के बारे में बच्चों को पता होना इंतहाई ज़रूरी है. आज के लिए इतना ही. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. कल मिलते हैं एक नए लेसन के साथ. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. जज़ाकल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.